Welcome to this video on networking fundamentals, where we will explore the essential device known as a router. Our focus will be on understanding what a router is and how it functions within computer networks. A router is a networking device that forwards data packets between different computer networks. Essentially, routers connect networks, directing traffic between them, as illustrated here, connecting PC1 and PC2 to the internet. Routers are used in many different environments. In a home network, a router connects your devices to the internet. Businesses use them to route traffic, handle many users, and provide advanced security. Core internet routers form the backbone of the internet, handling massive traffic volumes and connecting ISPs worldwide. Wireless routers, or Wi-Fi routers, broadcast signals for common use in homes and offices. So how does a router work? A PC sends a data packet. The router reads the packet's destination IP address and uses its routing table to find the best path. Finally, the packet is delivered to the internet. Routers rely on IP addresses and routing tables to make forwarding decisions efficiently. The routing table is what a router uses to decide where to send each packet. It lists destination networks, subnet masks, and the next hop, which is the next device to forward the packet to, along with the interface to use. This table includes the default route, shown as 0.0.0.0, which directs all other traffic to the internet gateway. The table also utilizes both private and public IP addresses. In a home network, the modem connects to the internet. The router then connects to the modem, acting as the local gateway. The router assigns private IP addresses, like the 192.168.1.x range, to all connected devices in the local area network, or LAN. It is important to distinguish routers from switches and modems. A router connects different networks and assigns IP addresses, operating at layer 3 of the OSI model. A switch connects devices within the same network at layer 2, without IP assignment or routing. A modem connects your network to the ISP and operates at layer 1 or 2. Modern home routers often integrate all these functions into one device. Network address translation, or NAT, is a critical function that allows multiple devices to share one public IP address. Devices in the local network use private IPs. The router uses NAT to translate these private IPs to its single public IP when communicating outside the local network. DHCP, or Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, is the four-step process for automatic IP address assignment. Devices first discover the router, which offers an IP address from its lease pool. The device requests that IP, and the router acknowledges the request, making the IP address available for a set time. In summary, a router forwards data packets between networks using IP addresses and a routing table. It connects your LAN to the internet, uses NAT for IP sharing, and DHCP for automatic IP assignment. Routers operate at layer 3, the network layer, of the OSI model.